Hi, I'm Nikki Sizemore here in the test kitchen of Fine Cooking Magazine. In this episode, the guests are served a really refreshing cocktail before the big feast, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's called a Spritz, which is one of Italy's most favorite aperitifs. So we're gonna start by adding ice cubes. Here I'm gonna use a wine glass, which is really traditional in Italy. And you wanna use big ice cubes, nothing crushed, otherwise it's gonna dilute your drink. Now, the sparkle is gonna come from 3 parts Prosecco. So 1, 2, 3. 2 parts spirit infused with fruits and herbs and roots. It's a little bit bitter, but trust me, it's delicious. Look at that color. And then last but not least, a little pop of bubbles at the top. 1 part soda water. Garnish with a slice of orange. I'm Nikki Sizemore. For more tips and recipes, go to finecooking.tv.